Alright, y'all. Another episode of Stock Lock Sunday, and we got a special padlock this time around. It's special in several kinds of ways. It's a Lockwood 334 C45. Now, I may be wrong, but I think the C may be for the closed shackle, because it's got one of them, you'll see in a second. But I know the S is for, I think, steel, and then they got the B for what I believe is the brass. I could be wrong, but I also wanted to mention I still have people asking me all the time for my email and contact info. I've changed this to where I've got basically all my contact info right here. And also my address and my email is on my home page. If you click on the About tab, it's been there for pretty much ever. So anyways, real easy to contact. Now, like I said, special in many ways. This was sent a little while back. There it is, the Lockwood Abloy 334 C45. This is the one that Crank sent from Australia for the Locks Without Borders, and he had it inscribed, whatever you want to call it, right there. Is that badass or what? So I decided, why not? Let's go ahead and pick it for Stock Lock Sunday. I tried doing the other one from Dark Arts, another Lockwood, last week, and I picked it off camera, and I was not able to pick it again on camera, so I didn't do a Stock Lock Sunday. There's the bidding on the key on this one. Lock does work fine. We'll go ahead and get that off there for the heck of it. So yeah, like I said, I think the C may be for closed shackle. I don't think it's for chrome. I don't know. I think it's for closed shackle. So, but I don't know. Well, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It may be a 5-pinner. 1, 2, 3. Looks like 5. We'll find out. I did pick this one a little bit ago, about a half hour ago, just to see if I could. And I got to be honest, this may be a lengthy video because it's not that easy. Not easy. None of these freaking Lockwoods are, though. But this is the kind of stuff I'm really trying to get into, skill up to, whatever you want to call it. All right, let me see. Microphone, a little bit up out of the way. Good enough. All right. And it does have a spring tension on the core, so you got to kind of battle that while you're picking. Really tough. Really tough. I'm making excuses for this, for myself here. Let's go ahead and... That's probably good enough right there, yeah? All right, let's get her started, huh? Going in. I'll be using the two of the Petersons this time. I think it's the short hook. It's got the flat top, and then the gem. All right, so we got... All right. I know the ticket was obviously getting it started, but then I had to use this shorter pick to get underneath some of them lower pins. Okay. Trying to find something else that wants to play. Hard to balance that spring tension on the core too, I'll tell you what, man. Really is. Let me switch over to that gem so we can go a little higher. Yep, counter rotation. Okay. Counter rotation. I'll let that drop. Back to the flat top. Counter. Tell you what, I've lost oh, maybe right here. Yep, okay. Got something right here. If I can make it set. Okay, that felt good. You cannot rush it. Well, I can't. I will lose the whole thing if I rush it. Okay. Now I've dropped something. I got to get under it again. Yep, I dropped something here. Won't let me get it. Okay, something happened there. Something bad. Golly, that sucked. I had to lose it. Yep, damn it. Counter. Tell you what. That felt good. Now I dropped something in the back again. All right. Okay, we're in a false set. Now we got to find out what's holding us up here. Right up front, maybe? Yeah, that felt good. I think we're close. Ah. It's right here. I could feel it. Ah, you booger. Got that false setback. Now my nerves are getting to me though. Uh-oh. Don't let it beat me. There's that damn stuck pin again. Oh, we got it. Come on, you little booger. Ah, it's there, man. It's there, but it's not. Little snot. Right there. There it is. Ah, good golly, Miss Molly. Alright, told you it was going to be long. We're going to try to keep this. Oh, what the heck. Let's see. I probably should have set a timer or something so I know what's going on, but you know what? Let's see if we can't keep this. Why not? I don't mind long videos as long as they're not stupid long. Alright. Bada boom, bada bang, baby. Little screws. Now I think that can only go on one way, if I remember right. But I'm going to mark it anyways. Alright. Bada boom, bada bang. Oh, it's already open. We'll lock it back up. I don't think I'm going to need a shim. It's stock, but why not? Alright. Yep, and it was a 5-pinner, but it's capable of holding 6. Let's get them laid out real quick. Like I said, I know it's long. Now I've got them shakes too. Good shakes though. Whoops. Yeah, okay, that was 4 or 5. Okay. So obviously nothing done in there. It is all stock. Get that shim out. Tell you what, it's greasy. I marked the back there, so yeah. Yep, right off the bat, a spool. And another spool. This could be the name of the game, probably all spools. This sure was a tough pick. What it is, man, is, at least for me anyway, the tolerances on these things are so wonderful. And to be honest, this one here, I was actually able to feel the pin set much easier than that other one that I don't remember what kind it is offhand. The one that Dark Art sent that he refurbished. I did pick that one, but trying to pick it on camera was not happening. But the other one, trying to feel the pin set, was just really tough. This one I was actually able to feel them set, so I had half a chance on this one. So anyways, I'm just gonna hold it and we can see what kind of pins were in there. All standard key pins, but they are tapered. Lockwood, I think that's they always do them that way. They're slightly tapered on the top, and we've got 5 spools. So that'll do her for this episode. A very long video of Stock Lock Sunday on the beautiful. Oh, that's not it. The beautiful 334 C45 Lockwood that Crank sent. Thanks again, Crank, for sending that in and having that inscribed like that. Of course, I added that sticker, so. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, as always, give it a thumbs up, and please comment, because I love your comments. Matter of fact, I'm fixing to go and sit down and reply to a couple in a little bit here. So thank you all. Big Al signing out.